सो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैंने ये आउटफिट पहना हुआ है।
हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज आपको जैसे मैंने भी बताया होगा, हम लोग जा रहे हैं आरसी के पीटीएम में।
वी विल बी टेकिंग यू टू आर्थर स्कूल फॉर हिज पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग।
भाई थैंक यू यार, आप इसका बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं, मैंने मुझे बताया।
So friends, we got this grammar. These are Arthur Montessori books. His uniform shopping. Then we will go for his shoe shopping. Here, not here. And at last we will do his stationery shopping. Please watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, today comes the most important day which we were waiting for a very long time. आज है report day of my son Arthur. So we are going to school right now. It's morning 9 o'clock and we are very excited because today we'll get his report. Along with that, he is promoted to kindergarten. So we're going to buy books, and his uniform he's going to start wearing for school. So we are very excited to know that his uniform and everything we are going to purchase it today. So we're going to keep you in the loop. और इसके अलावा there are a lot of things that we are going to do. If we get permission, so we'll capture a little bit of moment of the school, and we're going to show you a bit about it. And we are very happy by the grace of Almighty God, because ये जो दिन होता है ना, हर parent के लिए ये बहुत खास दिन होता है, and they wait for this day. So we waited, me and Austin, we waited for this day for many years. Not many years, but our son Arthur, he started school a bit early. We had put him to Montessori when he was like 1.7, 1.8, and now he is 3.5. Most probably. So by the grace of Almighty God, he's promoted to kindergarten, and now we have seen him growing. So now we are excited basically, because we will see him in a uniform, because जब ये स्कूल जाते थे तो he would wear his casual wear. So now when his new term is going to start, most probably in next week, or so we are going to see him in uniform. So we will definitely going to capture this beautiful moment of his first day in kindergarten wearing his uniform. Apart from that, I had also uploaded his graduation ceremony in school basically in that video above, so you can click in the on the link below in the comment box, and you can watch that video. And also guys, please, those of you who have not subscribed to this channel are requested to please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, hit the bell button, so that in future you can get more and more videos of Arthur, of me, and of my husband Austin. So stay tuned. So friends, आज मैंने ये आउटफिट पहना हुआ है. Basically it's a short kameez with trousers, and I like this print because these prints are worn for summers, and you know that white एक ऐसा कलर है जो summers के लिए it's very convenient to wear, because आपको ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगती है. So today I'm wearing this. Basically I am going for the parent teacher meeting of my son Arthur. It's his report day as well. So I was thinking of wearing something very comfortable, क्योंकि आज गर्मी है. Basically it's hot today, and you know that April or May is basically a very hot weather in Karachi. So अभी ये April चल रहा है, and it's very hot. So this is the reason I bought something very comfortable which I can wear it. And I don't know which brand it is. Basically my husband, he had ordered this online, but I will definitely going to ask him, and I'm going to share that link below in the comment box. And you can also purchase if you want, and also you can drop on the comment box below that how did you like this summer wear outfit, and you can give me your feedbacks.
हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज आपको जैसे मैंने भी बताया होगा, हम लोग जा रहे हैं आरसी के पीके में पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग है, बट दिस वन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज टुडे वी आर फॉर्मली गोइंग टू हैव आर्थर मूव इनटू किंडरगार्टन। आज के पीके में हमें इनकी मॉनिटरिंग की रिपोर्ट भी दी जाएगी एंड हिज स्कूल विल आल्सो गिव अस द बुक्स एंड सम गाइडेंस ऑन द यूनिफॉर्म so that Arthur can join his kindergarten on 8th of April. Obviously we are very excited, खुदा का बहुत शुक्र है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है हमारे लिए, हर पेरेंट के लिए होता है। बल्कि मुझे कमेंट्स में ये भी आप लोग बताइएगा कि आप लोग के हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनके घर में अगर कोई बच्चे इस वक्त नए सेशन को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं कराची में अप्रैल के अंदर, तो हमें ज़रूर कमेंट्स में बताइएगा कि आप लोगों को क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, किस स्कूल में जा रहे हैं आपके बच्चे, किस स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, और अगर बाकी सिटीज़ में हमें लोग देख रहे हैं बाकी सिटीज़ में किस स्कूल के अंदर आपके बच्चे आ रहे हैं, किस स्कूल के अंदर उनका सेशन शुरू हो रहा है अप्रैल में। एंड वी विश ऑल द पेरेंट्स वेरी बेस्ट फॉर देयर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर देयर एजुकेशन ऑलवेज। थैंक यू।
Arthur is very excited because today is his parent teacher meeting and the report day, so he's a bit excited by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, we reached Arthur's school.
भाई थैंक यू यार, आप इसका बहुत ख्याल रखती है, मैरी मुझे बताती रहती है स्कूल में।
We have purchased the books from the school of Arthur. So friends, we got this report card of Arthur, his progress report, and these are the stationery that we got for him that we need to buy. These are the book lists. These are the uniforms that he has to wear, and these are the rules and regulations that Arthur needs to follow. Permanent marker. Okay guys, so these are the copies. We got this grammar, we got the general knowledge workbook, Urdu book, these are Arthur Montessori books. So friends, these are the copies that Arthur used in Montessori, and you can see that these are the ORT books, and these are some worksheets that they gave us to see what the child did throughout the year. And this is the small artwork they did. It's looking so beautiful by the grace of Almighty God, and the worksheets were very good. So friends, I have put this thing that Arthur had got from school. These are his Montessori memories, and this will always stay with us. And whenever I'm working in the kitchen, whenever I will miss Arthur, so I have to just turn back and see him, and he's going to be right in front of me. So this is the best moment, and I'm capturing all his memories of his Montessori. And then when he will be going to kindergarten, so I'll be making that memories too. So this is the best thing of my life. So friends, we are come here for Arthur's uniform shopping. We got his uniform. So now we are come here to the shop to buy Arthur's shoes. Achi here, he not here.
चेक करा.
We have picked up 2 shoes, one in black which is his regular wear and the other is in white which is his PT wear. Along with that, Arthur also picked up the sandals which he really liked. So now we are come to the stationery shop to buy Arthur's stationery and his bag. So friends, these are the things that we got from the shop.